So other than the obvious problem of, we saw in Marquise Brownlee's video, the OnePlus opens inside display, the pixels were dying on his phone. And I repeat that, that really is a problem of it being a first, phone off the product line, I will say. Other than that, I haven't seen many issues at all with this phone. Now, Digital Storms posted this today, and there is actually another technical problem with it. And ironically enough, it comes from the hinge. Shout out to Christine Romero Chan? Okay, I butchered that middle name, but Christine Chan for posting this, because this is interesting. So, what they go into here is that the problem with the hinge is, at 135 degrees or more, the hinge is not firm enough to keep it propped open. And obviously, this is a problem when they are watching Disney Plus, when they are in bed. So, let's go ahead and talk about this, because this is interesting. So, 135 degrees, I'm going to use the Galaxy Z Fold example, is this right here. That's 135 degrees. So, they say it's not firm enough to keep it open at this, oh, hang on, this, or this. So, anything above 135 degrees, it automatically does that. Which, again, that's why you gotta love the Z Fold series and the Pixel series, because that right there, what is that sitting at? Around like 170, 165 degrees? Let me actually make this straight here with the camera. So that's 165. Anything above that, it automatically goes flat. Like, you cannot make it go above that. So, it's not too crazy when it comes to that. I mean, 135 degrees is like, it's still, we're being honest here, this is 135 degrees. It's definitely should go above that and, be still fine to go. So this is right here, like, probably 170. That's probably like 170. No, this is 170. Last one was probably like 160. That's like 177. And actually, wait, I forgot. This doesn't go fully fold. It doesn't go fully flat. It literally only goes 178 degrees. The Google Pixel Fold. So, this right here, I mean, hang on. So, this is 178. That's 170. Yeah, the Google Pixel Fold has the best hinge of any foldable cell phone. This phone literally can go in every orientation. Like, that right there is probably like a solid 15. Let me see if I can go even closer. Wow. This can go like 5. That right there is like 5. This can go anywhere from 5 all the way up to like 175. Obviously, it only goes to 178 and not 180, but still, this hinge right here is freaking amazing. But other than that, and this is not me gushing over these two phones, it's about the OnePlus Open. Now, again, is this a problem? Yeah, a little bit of a problem. It's a different hinge than we see out of these two cell phones, but not really, to be honest. I mean, it would be nice for it to be able to prop open exactly what you wanted to prop open at, but it is what it is. That's why a lot of people, when they open up the phone, they use it as, the tablet to consume media. They have the phone open up to either 178 degrees or, again, with the Z Fold series, right here, the Z Fold 5, 180 degrees. And that's how they consume the media. I know some people like to go ahead and do it like this, which, again, this still can go 90 degrees perfectly fine. As he claims, as long as it's less than 135, it's perfectly okay. Which, to be honest, I think for the general public, that's going to be good enough. For those who want more than 135 degrees, it looks like you're kind of crapped out of luck here, right? And again, that is, as he says here, a dual-edged sword, because you have a really great hinge, and that's obviously the general makeup of any foldable phone, but the problem is, it doesn't go more than, that. Which, I'll be honest, I have never seen a foldable phone as good as this phone right here. Like, this Google Pixel Fold hinge is just next level good. Let me see. How about, I mean, Okay, listen. This is not even fair. This it is affordable phone because this is just like the best of all time, and the same thing with the Surface Zero 2. Like, this is just the best hinge of all time, and there's not even a comparison. I say obviously the Pixel Fold is good, but I mean, come on. That hinge is just money. That hinge is the best hinge you could even talk about / advertise. But still, like I said before, yeah, it's a problem, but I don't think it's really a problem that would make me not want to buy this phone. There isn't really a problem not to buy this phone. It's a great phone. Now, the only problem I will say to not buy the phone would be, ironically enough, I said there wasn't one, is the price tag. The price tag's really the biggest issue. And I don't think that a lot of people are okay with the price tag of $1,700. This is why when this phone was first talked about and announced, we were very much in the camp of, wow, this is going to be another affordable phone that can truly compete with the general phones on the market. And we're probably going to get a price tag that's reasonable around, what, probably $1,500–$1,600, and then now it's coming out $1,700 and more if you get the higher storage options. So I think that's really the only biggest issue. But for what it is, right now being released, a 3rd gen product, it's interesting, it's cool, it's a great product. It's more about the future, I feel like this phone is, than the right now. Right now, yeah, you can make the argument, okay, well, this phone isn't really that crazy great. But it's for the future of this industry and the future of these phones. The thing about the OnePlus Open is, it's pushing other companies to try to create and make, foldable phones and put them onto an international level. And again, we're going to get another version of this next year, right? So it's like Google doing it, now OnePlus doing it, and with them being successful, it pushes other companies to start doing it. So really, and again, it's more competition means Samsung has to create better products for us, and we get better products all the way around. So it really just comes down to what the OnePlus Open is doing to the industry and the future of the industry is the amazing part. So yes, I love the fact that we're getting the OnePlus Open, but it's also the future more than the right now. But definitely tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. Have you picked up a OnePlus Open, or are you going with the Google Pixel Fold? Are you going with the Z Fold 5? Or are you going with the Surface Duo 1 and 2? I know there's still people in my comment section who are going with the Surface Duo 1 and 2. Don't lie to me. I know it completely. And I don't blame you, because these phones are still absolutely king. I'll see you guys next one. Peace out.